Experian Boost removes accounts when your bank connection breaks, transaction data becomes unreadable, or the system can no longer verify eligible payments from your linked accounts. By the end, you'll know exactly why accounts disappear from Experian Boost, and how to get them re-added so your credit file updates properly again. Start with the main cause. Experian Boost depends completely on your linked bank account staying active and readable. If that connection changes, accounts can get removed automatically. Now explain the most common reason. The most common issue is a broken or expired bank connection. If your bank password changes, your account security resets, or the connection times out, Experian may lose access to your transaction history. When that happens, previously detected payments can disappear from Boost. Now explain another major cause. Another reason is changes in transaction visibility. Experian Boost relies on clear recurring payments like utilities, phone bills, or subscriptions. If those transactions become unclear, renamed, or routed through a different payment system, Experian may no longer recognize them. Now explain what users often misunderstand. Many people think once an account is added to Experian Boost, it stays permanently active. That is not how the system works. Boost data is continuously verified, not permanently stored without rechecking. Now, explain the re-verification process. When Experian cannot confirm ongoing eligible payments, it may temporarily remove them until the data becomes visible again. Now, go into how to fix it. First, open the Experian app and go to the Boost section. Check which bank accounts are currently connected. If anything shows as disconnected or outdated, remove it completely. Then reconnect your bank account using the correct login credentials. This forces Experian to rescan your transaction history. Now explain what to do after reconnecting. Once your account is relinked, give it time to repopulate eligible payments. Experian needs to re-identify recurring bills before they reappear in your Boost profile. Now explain when accounts still don't come back. If accounts are still missing after reconnecting, the issue is usually transaction labeling. If your bills are bundled, processed through third-party apps, or not clearly marked, Experian may still not detect them. Now, summarize the key points. Experian Boost removes accounts mainly due to broken bank connections or unreadable transaction data. Reconnecting your bank usually restores missing accounts. And unclear or bundled payments can prevent them from coming back. One practical next step. Go into your Experian Boost settings and reconnect your bank account manually, because that single step forces a full rescan of your eligible payments. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple explanations of credit tools and how they actually behave.